Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or create a new account on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to the URL box and type in poshmark.com and press enter on your keyboard, and you'll end up in the official site for Poshmark. Poshmark is an online marketplace and social platform where users can buy and sell new or used clothing, accessories, and shoes. To sign up and get started with Poshmark, go ahead and click the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Now, you can create a new account with your existing Facebook, Google account, or continue using Poshmark with Apple ID. You can select any one of the options and start creating a new account for yourself. Or if you want to continue signing up with an email, go ahead and fill in the text boxes appearing at the bottom of the screen. Start off by typing in your first name and on the next field, enter your last name. Right where it says email, you'll need to provide a valid email address. Go ahead and type in an email address that you have an access to. And right underneath, create a username for yourself. Remember that once you create a username, it cannot be changed. Make sure to choose something you like for the username. Now, on the next field, create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 6 characters long, and it must contain a number or a symbol. Once you create a password that meets the criteria, select your gender from the next drop-down, select your country from the next, and then if you've got an invitation code, click on this link and enter the invitation code in the text box. Finally, click on the next button. On the next page, you need to select the brands you love from the list. You can change this anytime in the shop tab under brands after you've signed into the account. Once you are done selecting, click continue and click on done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Poshmark. You can now easily buy and sell new or used clothing, accessories, and shoes after you have an account. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.